here on behalf of Kenneth and Max for Mr. Lundy. He didn't receive his indictment for more than 24 hours. When he agreed to notice requirements, he was not guilty and asked that we be heard on bond.
Yeah, I'll be happy to hear your suggestions.
Just briefly, Your Honor, I know it's a $10,000 cash order property. He's a lifelong Ohio resident, no criminal history, does not represent any type of flight risk. He's worked in law enforcement his entire career. We just asked for a personal bond at this point in time.
State of Ohio concur. Mr. Rogalski?
No, Your Honor, the state of Ohio has made a recommendation that a reasonable cash surety bond be in place, given the nature of the charges, which do include mandatory prison time. The state of Ohio has also recommended that the court affix a GPS monitor, not for home detention, but to add exclusion zones for the primary victim's place of residence, employment, and or her children's schools. Those addresses can be provided to the Sheriff's Department if the court does order that as a condition of bond. You'll note that some of the charges in the indictment against this primary victim include menacing by stalking, trespassing into habitation, assault, criminal damaging, and the like. So based upon those allegations, the state believes that the exclusion zones are appropriate.
Would you imagine that the defendant already knows where the complainant lives and works?
Yes.
Right, so providing an exclusion zone wouldn't give him any information he doesn't already have?
I have to, the children's schools, he may not know, but the place of residence he knows.
Okay. So having heard both sides on the question of bond, Mr. Lundy, I'm going to set your bond at $10,000, 10%. This is on a condition of no contact, excuse me, pardon. This is not a condition of no contact with the complainant in this case, or if is there more than one?
There's one primary victim that the state's concerned about.
Well, any named complainant in the indictment is, you cannot have any contact or communication with. And a bond is also going to be conditioned on court supervised release, and you're going to have to also have a GPS monitor, ankle monitor, to make sure that you stay away from certain areas of town. They're called exclusion zones. Basically, it's where the complainants live and work, more or less. So that'll be part of your bond as well. Your case is going to be tried by Judge Murphy, and your first pretrial with her is Mr. Johnson, April 22 at 9 o'clock.
422, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.